Heard that right. The Great Lakes region is preparing for a major lake-effect snowstorm that could dump up to 5 feet of snow in some areas. We're looking at a real winter wonderland, but not without some serious challenges. So what's the deal with lake-effect snow? It all happens when cold air moves over the relatively warmer waters of the Great Lakes. As the warmer lake water evaporates into the chilly air, it rises, condenses, and forms clouds. These clouds are the culprits behind those monstrous snowfalls. Pretty fascinating, right? Now, the heaviest snow is expected to hit areas like the Tug Hill Plateau in New York and between Erie, Pennsylvania and Buffalo, New York. Imagine snow piling up at rates of up to 4 inches per hour. And don't be surprised if you hear some thunder and see lightning during this snowy extravaganza. It's going to be intense. But let's talk about what this means for travel. The National Weather Service has issued a lake-effect snow warning for the impacted areas, and they're not kidding around. We're talking about snow-covered, slippery roads and visibility dropping to almost zero. If you don't have to travel, just don't. It's really that simple. And if you absolutely must